If you have a jam in the machine, the jam is typically will be notated on your screen. It will show you how to remove that jam and where to remove it from. Your consultant should follow the process that is on the screen if at all possible. This machine is 45 pages a minute. So if you get a jam in the exit area here, since it is 45 pages a minute, you probably have a jam in more than one location. So as you remove those jams, it will walk you through the process of taking them out. A common area where you'll see a jam is up here in the document feeder. It's not because the document feeder is proning to jam, it's the opposite of that. Somebody left a staple in a document, or they left a paper clip stuck to something. You know, it's not gonna like that, right? One of the unique features on the Toshiba, when you open this by pushing down the green button here, this gives you a lot of access to the side of this document feeder. You can also access the top of the document feeder to remove jams by lifting up the latch accordingly. And then anything that's green in here, you can move or remove a jam. Lots of rollers in here that are big, wide, thick rollers, and that's to give us good pressure on the paper so that you have a lot more consistent results from pulling through those large documents that are several hundred pages. On the right-hand side of the machine, remember I said you might have a jam in multiple locations? If it just jams up here and it's the first copy, it's probably gonna always be up here, right? But if the machine has started running and there's paper running through the machine and you get a jam, it could be in a few different areas. On the right-hand side here, there's a lever just a few inches down, dead center in the machine. That gives you access to the whole entire paper path that you would be looking at to remove a jam. So you would probably see the paper right here. It'd be very easy to slide it out. That's the internal removal area for jams. And right down here, you can access all your paper drawers. So sometimes you'll get paper, like as I mentioned, if you get a jam here, you might have one where it's coming out. You can open the paper drawer itself and simply slide it out.